Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I don't play my Nintendo Switch very much anymore, so I'm either gonna sell it or maybe trade it in for the new Nintendo Switch 2 because I do really enjoy the Zelda games and can see myself playing them again, and I still occasionally play Pokemon. Let's do some research. Okay, I'm not huge into the tech world, but I do like MKBHD videos. According to Google AI, it is worth the upgrade. I also have the box. I don't know if that's going to increase the value or not. Let's pack everything up and see what they say. They didn't want me to do any audio or video filming inside, so we're gonna see how much the trade-in versus straight selling it is. That will determine if I get a new Switch or not. Here are the final numbers. Tears of the Kingdom has a trade-in value of $23 or $16 cash. Pokemon Scarlet and Breath of the Wild has the same at $17 and $12. The OLED is $140 or $98. They recommended the membership if this was something I was gonna do frequently, but I'm not a huge gamer, and I was leaning towards selling everything because I am in a minimalistic mode. I'm trying to get rid of stuff, trying to sell the K-Truck, but we are the proud owners of a Switch 2. I don't know if this is worth it right now. I think last year when this came out 6-7 months ago, the trade-in value was $175, so a better deal. But this is all personal value judgments. Clearly worth it for me right now because when I was standing there, I just cannot get rid of the games. So a part of me clearly still wants to play them. I've played video games growing up, so there's definitely a nostalgia part to me. I think the console should last a while, maybe 5-10 years, because I remember owning the previous Switch for a pretty long time. Looking forward to doing the unboxing video next. Video 335 done.